It's finally here, guys. Today we're going to take a look at the new 2023 Hisense U6K. All right, so this video is going to be more about the unboxing because I just got this in the studio. Have Justin behind the camera. He's going to help me load it up on the table. But first thing that I would do is just go ahead and cut the top of the box. And the reason you want to do this is because this is where all the different accessories are. It comes with this quick set guide with the power cord, and it does include the batteries. You're also going to get the remote control, standard remote control with the voice command, Bluetooth, some hotkeys at the bottom. And here's the feet that come with it. All right, so after you get that out, there's some styrofoam. We're just going to pull this out like this. And then I like the fact that Hisense put a piece of cardboard in front of the TV to keep it from breaking. Also, there's some styrofoam on each side of the TV. Let's go and get this piece out. And if you take the styrofoam out, it's going to make it easier to pull the TV out of the top. So now take a look at the bottom of it with this light. There's a oval speaker right here. You're talking about 10 watts by 2. On this side, it looks like a speaker in there, but it's actually empty. I can see inside of it. Now, one of the great things Hisense did here is that you can put the feet on the outside or the inside. So that's going to be very easy to fit on your table. And if you look here, there's a little cross on the feet. They're not labeled left or right. You're just going to stick it like this. And then you want to go ahead and get your screws, go ahead and put everything in. And then we can start taking a closer look at this TV. This TV has all the inputs you're going to need for 60 hertz performance. First of all, it does have 2 USBs. You have a reset button. With adapter, you can have composite input. And there's 3 HDMIs right here. And they're all HDMI 2.0 with a TV tuner. I found this very surprising because it has 4 HDMIs, which is fantastic. Plus, there's an Ethernet connection and a fiber optic output. Plus, this TV does have Wi-Fi. And personally, I really like the looks of this new design. It looks very clean on the back of it. Now, over here, you do have some screw holes, and that's so you can mount on the wall. And just so you guys know, you can take these screws out and take it down to your local Home Depot and find the thread pattern. And this is where you plug it in over here on the side. This TV does have these little pieces that are stuck on the screen for extra protection when you're shipping. And the way you can tell if it has a screen protector on it, you're going to have a little tab, and that's on pretty much all the brands. So it's going to grab like this. Now that's satisfying. The U6K also has hands-free Google commands. So once you set it up, you'll see these lights if you mute the microphone. But if you turn the switch over, you'll see it blink. And when you don't see the lights, it means that it's ready to listen to you anytime you want to give the TV commands. This is not the full review, but I just want to give you guys a first look and impressions on it. And just going through the menu system, it seems to be very responsive, as you can see right there. I don't see any lag. There's no hourglasses or any kind of buffering screen. So as far as the processor, it works really good. And that's thanks to the MediaTek MT9602, which is a 64-bit quad-core processor, which has a maximum refresh rate of 60 hertz. And when it comes to picture quality, I didn't really know what to expect, but being a mini LED, this TV has really rich colors, and I didn't see much blooming whatsoever. So Hisense definitely did a really good job making sure that this TV had excellent picture quality, especially coming in at more of the budget price range. And it actually has pretty good performance for 60 hertz gamers out there. All right, let's go ahead and give it a shot, see how good it plays. Seems to be very smooth, responsive. The audio system is okay. It's nothing special, but sounds decent. You see that there's a lot of blue in the cloud. This is kind of like a dusty environment, so it's not going to be as clean as you would get on some of the other gaming modes, but not bad. Not bad at all. And if you hit this menu button on the remote control, you get all these little extra picture settings, including the gaming zone. Same thing they had on last year's model, where you can turn the different settings on there. You can see that it's reading 60 hertz, HDR, VRR, and auto low latency. and you can move that around if you need it to. There's also some settings, so if you want to clean up your image, you have your black levels, white levels. There's your auto low latency, and then down here they have a FreeSync mode, so this is for PCs, and you can give it a high refresh rate if you wanted to. So next I'll be filming the full review so I can take a little bit more time to TV, and I can tell you guys a little bit more details of how it performs, but my first impressions on it, it's pretty impressive, especially being that this is the entry level for Hisense televisions. And later on, I'll come out with a comparison video where we can compare this against the last year model, the U6H, which wasn't mini LED, but it'd be interesting to see what kind of improvements that they made. But for now, I would tell you that it has some features like, again, Apple AirPlay, Google TV. I like the fact that the speak can be moved closer so you can fit on your entertainment center now or smaller desk. So I think Hisense really has hit it out of the park in bringing in a more economical TV with some high performance features. I'm Tech Steve. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.